In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets time-saving tricks with shortcuts, formulas, and automation. By the end, you'll navigate faster, enter data more accurately, and automate repetitive tasks so your spreadsheets work harder for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with quick navigation and data entry. The win is mastering keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+/ on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD+/ on a Mac, to open the full list right inside Sheets. When you need a timestamp, use Ctrl+C for the current date, and Ctrl+Shift+C for the current time. To fill multiple cells at once, select your range, type your value or formula, and press Ctrl+Enter to commit it everywhere. Next, use the fill handle in Smart Fill. Type the first two entries in a series, like Day 1 and Day 2, or Jan and April for a quarterly pattern. Then drag the small blue square at the corner of the selection to autofill the rest. Smart Fill goes further by recognizing patterns, such as extracting first names from full names, and suggests a fill for the rest of the column. It's a huge time saver for repetitive transformations. Need a blank spreadsheet in a second? Type sheets.new in your browser's address bar and you're in. Now, let's boost formula efficiency. ARRAYFORMULA lets one formula operate across an entire column, automatically covering new rows as they appear, so you don't need to copy or drag formulas down. If your data lives in another file, IMPORTRANGE pulls it in and keeps reports synced, reducing copy-paste errors and version control headaches. For lookups, VLOOKUP is classic, but XLOOKUP is more flexible and generally the better choice for finding and returning matching values. Wrap complex formulas in IFERROR to replace distracting errors with a blank or custom message, keeping dashboards clean and readable. And for consistent entries, use data validation to create drop-downs from a list or range, cutting down on typos and mismatched categories. For automation and data management, record macros when you repeat the same formatting or cleanup steps, then replay them instantly. Use the built-in data cleanup tools under Data Cleanup to trim extra spaces or remove duplicates with just a couple of clicks. Don't forget templates. Start from a pre-built expense report, calendar, or project tracker to skip layout work. Keep headers and key identifiers visible by freezing rows or columns from View, Freeze, or by dragging the thick gray bars. If you're advanced, Google Apps Script can automate entire workflows, like sending scheduled report summaries or adding timestamps when a new row is added. Combine these techniques, and you'll spend less time fixing sheets and more time using them. Practice a few today, and they'll quickly become second nature. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.